y'all, it's your girl Mo, and it's your girl Lex next to me, and we about to turn up with y'all with some candy grapes, you feel me? Period.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl LexUpNext.
It's your girl Mo.
And I'm back with another video. So don't mind our outfits. This is the second video of today, so that's why we got on the same outfit. What we about to do is make some cracked grapes. Basically, they're just candy grapes with Jolly Ranchers. So you want to show them their ingredients?
So we got the real green grapes, you feel me? We got the Jolly Ranchers. We got all types of colors: blue, red, green, purple. We got the colors in them. We got the pure sugar. We got the little pot, you feel me? We got the little pot, you feel me? We got the little pot, you feel me?
In the kitchen, resistant like a stir.
K-roll syrup.
That's the main ingredients that you need, and then you need water and a stove. Oh, and food coloring. We could have asked them, but it's not mandatory. I gotta clean this. But you need a blender to blend up. I was gonna use a hammer, but I'm gonna try and use the blender. If the blender don't work, then I'll use a hammer to crush up your Jolly Ranchers. And you also need
A thermometer.
Yep, a candy thermometer, just so you will know when your candy got hot enough. Because if it doesn't get hot enough, that's where you can mess up and it won't get hard. So you need one of these. Okay, so Morgan's gonna start off by blending up the Jolly Ranchers. But first, we gotta open all the Jolly Ranchers. So let's get to it. And we sterilize this counter for anybody that's worrying about what they don't need to be worrying about in all of my business. We sterilize the counter, yes, thank you.
Plenty good, baby.
Mind the business that pay you. I see you ain't accept me on your spam page. You think you slick? You think?
I gotta go through that real quick.
You think you're slick. So here's our blender. I'm just gonna put these in there. Might be loud.
What you got to eat?
So this is what the Jolly Ranchers look like. This is what the Jolly Ranchers look like. I don't want them to get hard. The lady said they get hard. She had to re-blend them. But anyway, so we gotta try to hurry up and do this quickly. We're starting off with 2 cups of sugar, just a regular white sugar. So this is a half a cup. So I'm gonna do like 4 of these. Yeah.
She said do 1. Yeah, 4.
2, 3, 4. Half a cup of water, Morgan. So there go half a cup of water.
Sugar water.
And then a half a cup of the camera syrup.
Wait a minute, did it cool back off? I know you.
All that time it took to take you out of that bottle.
Just pour it straight in.
That looks so nasty.
Look at the expiration date.
What is it? Oh. September 9th, 2018.
Well,
guess we're gonna be easy.
Y'all on the other side. Alright, so y'all gonna need one of these spoons, spatulas. Don't mind what it look like. It's been through some things. Alright, so we put the mixture on the stove and had it on like medium heat until the candy thermometer reached 280. You gotta make sure it reaches 280 because if it don't, your grape's gonna come out wrong. So on here it actually says hard ball, which means hard candy. So we let it get all the way up to that level. And now we're about to dip it. But we gotta hurry up. We gotta do this fast so it don't cool off, because if it cool off, then it's gonna be hard. We got parchment paper, not wax paper. We could use toothpicks, but I tried that before and it was kind of annoying. So let's look this up, man. We just dip it, don't touch it because it's hot. So dip it, and dip it in the candy, then lay it down. Bada bing, bada boom. And I did wash the grapes, y'all. Make sure y'all wash y'all grapes. So we got to taste it, y'all. Still a little chewy, but right in my face.
I'm gonna hack that.
It's gonna be good though. But alright, y'all, thank you for tuning in to my video, Quarantine and Chill. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment. Please comment, please comment. That's what's gonna make the algorithm of YouTube go up. Trying to get more followers, well, subscribers. So please comment and let us know how we did. And if you like this video, make sure you do like the video and catch me in my next video. All right, y'all.
Bye, y'all.